Welcome to Algebra video 3.6 on adding and subtracting radicals. So the idea here is that you can only add and or subtract radical expressions that have the same radical. So if you have like a square root of 3 and a square root of 2, you cannot combine those things. It's just like combining like terms. So if I had 3 square root of 2 plus 6 square root of 2, I would have 9 square root of 2. So like this one right here, it would be 1 square root of 17 minus 3 square root of 17. So that would be negative 2 square root of 17, and then negative 2 plus 5 would be positive 3. So our answer is 3 square root of 17. This one, I'm going to combine the things that have the same. So this is the same and this is the same. So 15 square root of 3 minus 11 square root of 3 is 4 square root of 3. And then negative 14 plus 6 is negative 8 square root of 5. Okay, try these two and see how you do. Pause the video and then come back for answers. This one should have been 14 square root of 7 minus square root of 11. And this one should have been 15 square root of 30 plus 2 square root of 13. Okay, now we're going to try some where you have to simplify first. So for example, this one with the 8 is the same as square root of 4 times square root of 2. So we're going to simplify that to 2 square root of 2. And then the 98 is the same thing as square root of 49 times the square root of 2. So that's going to be minus 7 square root of 2. And then 2 minus 7 is negative 5 square root of 2. Okay, so we're just going to do the same thing. 500 is the same as 10 square root of 5. We're going to take the 9 out of there. So square root of 9 is 3, and then we still have the 5 left in. Plus, I'm going to take the 4 out. Square root of 4 is 2, square root of 5. So 10 minus 3 is 7. Plus 2 is 9. So I have 9 square root of 5. Go ahead and try the next two. Pause it, and I'll come back with answers. Okay, there are the answers for those last two. These could not be simplified together, so you're only taking the ones that have the same radical together. Okay, let's look at the back side of the page. So on this one, we'll take the 4 out of that, or I'm sorry, the 16 out of that, and square root of 16 is 4, so 2 times 4 is 8, square root of 2, minus taking the 4 out of this one, and that's square root of 4 is 2, 3 times 2 is 6, square root of 14, and then plus taking the 25 out, so it looks like that, and then my 8 and my 5 are going to become 13 square root of 2, and then this can't be simplified or combined with anything, so it just looks like that. And then this one becomes 12 square root of 3 minus 3 square root of 3. I'm taking out the 9. In this one, I'm taking out the 16. And in this one, I'm going to take out the 25. So that'll be 5 square root of 3. And these guys can all be combined together. So 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14 square root of 3. Okay, let's do some now where, oh, you know what? I was going to move on, but the next one is 3.7 multiplying radicals, so we will wait until next time for that one.